Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 4th. So I'm telling about you about the story of living together. So when this big leaves blocked his food to giving other leaves, they are becoming dried. They are becoming hungry and thirsty and started to die. Not only the leaves, the plants is also started to die. And at last, the plant, these three leaves and the biggest leaf died soon. Okay, so this is because of the bad mood of that biggest leaves. And if we are living together in that means when we are living together in harmony, we must respect each other, we have to take care of each other, love each other, and when there is need we have to help each other, right? So all these things, or we can say values, are taught in this fourth chapter. So let's start. The four leaves are happy together as they share their food and water. They are green in color and they are on the African flatland. So they share their food and water. Then next. Biggest leaf blocked of food supply, which Dada sending them. Who is sending the food supply? People, root, flower. It is root. In the end, big leaf become happy, get all food and water, and began to die. So it began to die. Living together in harmony means being together as one family, living in one family. So being in one family. Also there are some questions just like true or false. So let's see here. We need each other to take care of us and help us. So yes, it is true. Living alone makes us happy and strong. It is absolutely wrong. When we live together, it makes us happy and strong. Right? So let's start the fifth chapter. So caring for others. Do you remember this story of that girl Ida who has visited Velora where her father was living? Okay, and in the 90s her father was a doctor, and when he was out of home for treatment, he went for any patient to see the patient. Ida was alone at home, and they only 3 times the same incident happened with him, that some person is come and ask him to check his wife as she is giving birth to baby, but she was unable to do anything because she was not a doctor. But when she listened the next day that all three babies and that their mothers died, she felt very bad and decided to be a doctor. She returned to America and become a doctor, and after few years she went Verola once again. But same situation is there. There were no doctors and also not lady doctors. So in the small room she started her hospital, and now there is a big hospital, charity hospital. Okay. So let's start the MCQs question on that chapter. In 90s, many villagers died as no money, flood, there were no hospital. There were no hospital. Ida Scudder visited his father living in Varanasi, Vashi, Velora. It's Velora. Same incidents happened with Ida diverse times. 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Ida went to America to be trained as police, actor, doctor. What is doctor? All three babies and their mothers died because of diseases, no medicine, no doctor to help them in time. Okay. Ida's father was teacher, actor, doctor. Okay. So today I will stop here. So I will ask such type of question. Of course there are true or false also, and many more. Not only question from these questions. There are so many. I will ask another questions also. Okay. So we have to practice in a such a way. Okay. Have a nice time and let be prepared for your exam.